Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to another folding bike video. In this episode, I'll be showing you how I pack my folding bike for an overnight bike packing adventure. I'll show you all the gear that I'm taking with me. It's super lightweight, it's very inexpensive, and I will show you exactly how I pack it on the bike. So let's get started. So here I have my Turn folding bike that I purchased secondhand, and I'll be taking this bike with me on the overnight trip. So I'll be using public transport. I don't want to take a lot of gear with me, so let's have a look-see at what gear we're going to take. If you've seen my previous video on lightweight bike packing, you'll know that I only like to take the bare essentials. I'll put a link to that video up here if you want to go have a look. Otherwise, here we go. This is a really good sleeping mat. It packs down really small, it's easy to inflate, and I use it in conjunction with the travel hammock. So this hammock, again, very simple, very small, and light. Packs down easily, and that's the second thing that I'll be packing. Now, just in case it rains, I will also be taking this hiker fly. Again, it's super lightweight, packs down small, and it's fairly inexpensive. All of these items that I have, I'll be packing into a normal grocery bag like that. Cooking gear fits into this very small pot that I have. There's a knife and fork, gas burner and some gas so that I can have a hot meal on the road. My toolkit is extremely compact. It consists of these 3 tools, plus I always take a puncture repair kit just in case. If you do want to see any more in-depth video about tools, is available here on my channel. I'll put the link there. I will take a power bank to charge the phone for making videos. Of course, it's always a good idea to take a good quality bike lock, the best that you can afford, and that could save you from having your bike stolen. So I'll always take that, even though it's pretty heavy. It's probably the heaviest thing that I will be packing on this trip. Some extra rope, just in case, you never know. To tie the items to the bike, I always use tire rubber in a tube. I cut it into strips this long, and it's very, very useful to tie things onto the bike frame. My backpack, super small, super lightweight, secondhand. It cost me $4. So let's go ahead and pack those things on the bike, and we will weigh the bags before I attach them to the bike, just so you can see what exactly this gear weighs. So there you go, guys, it's as easy as that. That's how I pack my folding bike for an overnight bike packing adventure. We've got about 5 kilos of gear all up, including my backpack. So that is not including food, but don't worry, I'll show you what I'm going to eat on the trip in the next video. My name's Andy, you've been watching Hobo Cyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.